Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews of the best products on the market. Today, we have something special for you. The GearLight S1000 LED flashlights, often considered the best torch lights out there. These flashlights have been making waves with their exceptional performance and durability. In this video, we're going to take a closer look at why the GearLight S1000 deserves to be called the best torchlight. Stick around, because you don't want to miss this. Let's start with the basics. Brightness. The GearLight S1000 effortlessly illuminates an entire room, making it the perfect super bright flashlight for everyday use. With a whopping 1040 lumens of power, you won't miss a thing, whether you're camping, hiking, or simply taking an evening walk. But what sets this flashlight apart is its zoomable beam. You can adjust it between pinpoint precision and wide-open illumination, giving you the flexibility you need for any situation. Now, let's talk durability. The GearLight S1000 is virtually indestructible. Constructed from military-grade aluminum, it can withstand a 10-foot drop without breaking a sweat. Whether you're on a tough outdoor adventure or a training exercise, this flashlight can handle it all. And it's compact. This small flashlight easily fits in your pocket, backpack, or purse, ensuring convenient storage and quick access. Ideal for use around the house, while dog walking, or during camping trips, these are the perfect handheld flashlights. When you purchase the GearLight S1000, you're not just getting one flashlight, you're getting a whole package. It includes two S1000 LED tactical flashlights, two AAA battery holders, two battery tubes, two hand straps, two holder cases, one operation guide, and one warranty card. It's the perfect gift for anyone, especially for the upcoming holiday season. So there you have it, folks. The GearLight S1000 LED flashlights, powerful, durable, and versatile. Whether you're exploring the great outdoors or simply need a reliable source of light, these flashlights have got you covered. Don't miss out on this incredible deal. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more honest reviews of the best products on the market. Stay tuned for more great content.